Imagine a place where nature defies the laws of physics. A place where waterfalls aren't slippery, but actually grip you back. Welcome to Bua Tong, famously known as the Sticky Waterfall. Unlike any other falls in the world, these limestone tiers are made of tufa. It's a mineral-rich rock that feels like a hard sponge, providing a natural grip that allows you to climb straight up barefoot. There are 4 majestic tiers to conquer. Start from the bottom and work your way up. It's an adventure for everyone, from thrill seekers in bikinis to families with children. Provided and a surface that refuses to let you slip. You'll feel like a real-life superhero. But the magic doesn't stop at the water. Bua Tong is designed for comfort, with easy access parking, well-maintained forest trails, and serene camping grounds. It's a sanctuary where you can truly breathe. And just 200 meters away lies another wonder, the magical Chet Si Spring. This is the secret heart of the miracle, a mystical pool bubbling up from deep underground, glowing with emerald hues. It's the crystal source that feeds this entire dream, carrying the very minerals that create the stickiness under your feet. So, kick off your shoes, trust the rocks, and experience the miracle for yourself. This is Bua Tong. This is North Thai life.